there, welcome to my channel Info Mama. I want to make this video before the end of the year because I believe it's important to remember this is the new normal. Don't feel bad if you're tired, don't feel bad if you are stressed, don't feel bad if you just wanna run away from your house and the kids. Don't feel bad because we are human. Feel free, try to meditate, try to do yoga, and that's it. We need this. We need to support every woman. We need to connect with other moms and express yourself. Go for it and do it. Hopefully this video will help a lot of moms, and it's good to talk about your experience. It's good to talk about your situation with this pandemic so we can all share and learn the best of it.
Hi all, my name is Fior and this is
Olivia.
This is my daughter Olivia. She's 3 years old. We live in the Dominican Republic and the last few months have been quite challenging for us. I'm a single mom. Luckily I have my mom who can stay with her while I work, but after work we're stuck at home all day every day. Here we are under a very strict curfew. So there's not a lot that he can do. But after work, we are basically just stuck at home. I've had to homeschool because schools here are still closed. But we've been adapting to the whole situation as best as we can.
Hi everyone. My name is Zina and I have 2 girls that are 7 and 5, Sophia and Elizabeth. We live in Quebec, Canada. And I guess the most challenging part of this whole pandemic with them being at home and doing the virtual online school is really having them be in front of the computer all day. That has been the most challenging for us. I find it really hard for my kids to be in front of the computer all day. So, the only suggestion I have is finding the right balance for your family. So doing what works best for you and your family. So for us, they do most of their learning on the virtual school program, but also some days when we can't, be in front of the computer all day, we just do our own learning. So we make it fun at home. We play school, and we just try to make it fun for them. So the only thing that I have to say is that you just got to find that right balance that works the best for you and your family. So I hope that helps. And take care, everybody. Stay safe. Bye.
Hi, my name is Ciara. I currently live in the United States, specifically New Jersey. I'm a mom to a 12-year-old boy and a 20-month-old girl, so a big difference. I've been working from home for many years, so working from home during this pandemic was not a big transition for me. However, having to work and take care of 2 children and cook and clean and do all of those things that all of us moms do, wear several hats at the same time, definitely took a toll on me emotionally in the beginning. I think like most of us, we thought it was something temporary that we can just deal with. However, as time went on and the longer and longer this pandemic stayed around, I had to figure out ways to help me cope. The biggest thing for me is self-care. I'm very into health and wellness, so I make sure to start each and every day with dedicating at least an hour to myself through meditation, fitness, reading books, journaling, doing things that really fill me up and are just for me. I do it before everyone in my house wakes up. I also have a group of friends that are also mothers, and I think it's so important to have that support, to have people to get ideas, games, recipes, or just to vent, because it really does take a village, and I'm very grateful for mine. I suggest you take good care of yourself, and that way you can take care of your family.
Thank you, girl, for sharing your experience with us. Thank you, Sina. Thank you, Ciara. Thank you, Fior. I really appreciate that, and hopefully this can help a lot of moms. In the comment below, let me know about your feelings. Let me know about your situation right now with this pandemic and the kids, so we can all share our experience and learn from each other. That's all for today, so stay connected. Love you guys. Bye bye.